we start, please find time to read disclaimer. Before we look into method, I would like to summarize health benefits of eating raw onions on regular basis. If you are interested in knowing how raw onions give you those benefits in more detail, then please check two links I have attached in description box below. They will explain more on this topic. Eating raw onions on regular basis will improve your health by reducing bad cholesterol, will give you healthy bones, improved immunity, good eye vision. Raw onions will improve your oral and sexual health. They can give glowing and ageless skin, can bestow healthy hair, and also helps in easing menopause symptoms. Today I'm going to show you how to make consuming raw onions easy and tasty. Things we need are 1 onion of your choice. It can be red or brown, some spice, salt only if you wish to have, and natural yogurt. We will do this in following steps. Chop onions in big or small slices according to your taste. I prefer big pieces. Add spice of your choice. However, I recommend garam masala and black pepper. Add salt according to your taste, only if you wish to have it. Add yogurt to the mix. For 1 onion, 8 tablespoons of natural yogurt is recommended. Mix them well. Consume it straight away or after 10 minutes for best results.